Have you ever stopped to wonder why some people grind for 40 years and still retire broke, while others seem to crack the code to wealth in a fraction of the time? The difference isn't luck, and it isn't just hard work. It's understanding the hidden architecture of how money really works. Imagine your current financial life as a crumbling, abandoned house. The windows are shattered by debt, the roof is leaking from a lack of savings, and the foundation is sinking into the mud of inflation. Most people try to ignore the decay, hoping a miracle will fix it. But a miracle isn't coming. Today, we are going to stop staring at the ruins and start the ultimate renovation. I'm going to show you how to take that broken structure and transform it into a high-tech, luxury financial fortress. We are moving from the chaos of zero to the clarity of wealth, and it all starts with the very first brick. Every skyscraper you see began with a hole in the ground. You cannot build a masterpiece on top of swampy soil. In the world of personal finance, your foundation is your emergency fund and a rock-solid budget. Many people make the fatal mistake of trying to install the gold-plated faucets, the flashy investments, before they've even poured the concrete. If you don't have at least 6 months of expenses tucked away, your house is built on sand. One medical bill or one job loss, and the whole thing comes crashing down. Think of every dollar you save not as a restriction, but as a bag of high-quality cement. You are reinforcing your base. You are creating a platform so stable that no matter how hard the economic winds blow, your structure will not move. Financial freedom isn't about how much you spend, it's about how much of your foundation you own. Once the foundation is cured, the walls begin to rise. This is the investing phase. This is where we call upon the eighth wonder of the world, compound interest. In our time lapse, imagine the walls growing by themselves, brick by brick, hour by hour. This is what happens when you put your money into assets like index funds, dividend stocks, or real estate. Your money starts having babies, and those babies start having babies. At first, it looks like nothing is happening. You look at the construction site and only see a few rows of bricks. But then a tipping point occurs. The structure begins to accelerate. The interest starts earning interest, and suddenly the frame of your mansion is visible from miles away. Consistency is the mortar that holds these bricks together. You don't need $1 million to start. You just need the discipline to keep the construction crew working every single month. Now, look at the transformation. That dark, broken shack is gone. In its place stands a magnificent glass-walled villa surrounded by lush greenery and bathed in the golden light of the morning sun. This is financial independence. The leaks are gone because your passive income covers your roof. The darkness is gone because your assets provide the power. You are no longer a slave to the paycheck. You are the architect of your own time. But remember, this villa didn't appear by magic or a lottery ticket. It was built through the deliberate steps we just took. If your financial house is currently in ruins, don't despair. Be grateful that you have the ground to build on. The blueprints are in your hands, the tools are at your disposal, and the first brick is waiting. It's time to stop dreaming about wealth and start building it. Subscribe to join our community of architects, and let's start your construction project today. Your future self is waiting inside that house.